One lucky BMW CCA member is going home with this, an F95 X5M modified by T14 Distribution.
That's right. In last episode, we tackled under-hood engine mods with some BMC air filters in it. Easy install, easy horsepower. Then we went to the CSF high performance charge air cooler set. So that's going to really help keep that hot turbocharged air nice and cool when it goes in the engine. But today, it's M Performance roof spoiler, M Performance carbon fiber mirror caps.
These wheels, tires, and suspension.
So we got some Vossen 22-inch forged monoblock S1704s. And we have a new product from Future Classic, titanium lug bolt kit.
Very nice.
Very nice. And we're gonna lower it with some H&R springs.
Awesome, man. Well, this box is getting a little heavier. Let's get started.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one's the top piece. So yeah, the BMW M Performance roof spoiler is two pieces. This should be the top piece that sits onto the base. Oh, nice.
Aero.
Total looks like that.
It's awesome. Inside the napkin, M Performance carbon fiber mirror caps. So this takes the place of the shiny black piece that sits on top. And these look little accent, but it goes a long way. All the factory clips are structurally bonded. That stuff looks like Ashland's Plyo grip in the green color. A lot of detail.
All right, so just to recap, we have the BMW M Performance flow-through two-piece roof spoiler. This actually is cross-compatible with any X5 of the G05 F95 generation. The first part that has to go down is the base. And as you can see here, this is the extension piece that makes it look really aggressive. It just attaches via double-sided tape, which is already pre-applied. It just sticks on to the base just like this. Once it's actually installed, is that you get a face full of BMW M Performance right here on the leading edge.
So after that goes on, we'll get the M Performance carbon fiber mirror caps on, some of my favorite material. Pop the old ones off, pop these new ones on. It is a nice aesthetic because it is a competition M vehicle and we need more carbon fiber, so that's what we're gonna do today. So Mikey,
What's up, fellas?
what do you think?
Looks great.
How long is it gonna take you to put on?
This really actually ties into the exhaust too, the carbon fiber.
Yeah, that's nice.
This would probably take me same amount of time it takes you guys to get pizza on your lunch break.
Ooh, that's a challenge?
Yeah, it's a challenge.
All right, let's do it.
Always with the joke.
One, two, three.
Hey. One last wipe down. Well, what do you think?
Honestly, from the back, it looks super subtle except for that M Performance. That's like the only giveaway. But it's when you walk to the side, you really notice how much more aggressive the new flow-through spoiler is.
Yeah, the rear of the X5M competition looks aggressive.
Yeah.
You know, and it's got the muscle to back it up. So this definitely kind of is subtly, don't mess with me.
So how does it look?
Looks amazing.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, it really complements the M competition look, the sporty feel, matches everything that's carbon, got the spoiler on the back. I mean, I'm feeling like this is an aggressive ride.
What's next?
It's a good question.
So what style wheel is this? That's 1704. Is what?
Yeah.
You want to do the honors? Whoa. Wow, look at how it's all pocketed out here.
Whoa, did you see this? It's custom engraved.
What? Built for BMW CCA Turn 14.
Did you know they were gonna do this?
That's amazing.
That is cool. What do you think? Get these to Mikey, get the tires on so we can mount them up?
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, now you stand on top.
All right, guys, we are at the point in the build we're gonna lower our X5M competition. So we gotta set up H&R springs. That's gonna lower our vehicle about 1.5 inches. So it's a quick swap, springs off, springs on, and these things are great.
Well, actually, these might be a little bit better.
What are those?
These are H&R adjustable lowering springs. How good is your German, Eric?
Great.
Read this one.
Wiener Schnitzel Toot and Plug.
Or VTF, as H&R calls them. But as you can see, adjustable lowering springs means that you can adjust the height. By contrast to Eric's kit, these lower the car 1.8 inches, but thanks to this collar, you can adjust it 1 to 1.8 inches total. And the benefit of having these is that they work with your M adaptive suspension, so you won't lose any of the adjustability, so you get the perfect ride height.
Well, either kit, I'm ready to put them on, so ready?
Yeah, let's do it. H&R includes everything you need to install the kit, but what they really do, which is really nice, is label each spring, front and rear, since they are the same part number. Also, these are not eye drops. They are a lubricating drop spray for the collars. Using this makes it a lot easier to rotate and get your ride height exactly where you need it.
So me and Mikey have a procedure to set the ride height we want. So once we do our final wheels and tires, set it down, roll it back and forth, let it settle, measure every corner, and then start making our adjustments. Future Classic titanium. It's extremely hard to machine this precise. I'm very impressed. Like, this is, you know, OEM from the factory, very well engineered. But OEM, this, it's a shame we gotta hide them inside the wheels because they're gorgeous. Finishing touch.
Look at that.
What do you think?
That looks amazing. This combo is perfect for the car.
I mean, I was a little skeptical of what they would actually look like when it was all on the ground, with the color, and then this marble with the brushed face fit. I mean, it couldn't get any better. The color combo and the contrast to all these spokes kind of moving, it's like a really refined, classy look. You know, it just pops. Man, what a day. So we got our X5M competition sitting pretty and on some new shoes.
Oh my God, I love them so much. The Vossen Wheels look incredible.
So does the ride height. So I'm glad we went and changed out the standard spring from H&R to the H&R VTF height adjustable, because we needed that little bit extra, you know, option to put it where we wanted to. Awesome parts, carbon fiber mirror caps, the roof spoiler, and they fit just like an OEM part should.
Yeah.
You know what was my favorite thing today?
What's that?
The Future Classic titanium lug bolts.
Ooh, yeah, you're right.
Besides being like an awesome material and awesomely machined like to perfection, it made the Vossen wheels just pop that much extra. All them spokes just glistening when it rolls, but titanium lug bolts, awesome.
Yeah, it's giving off the perfect Alpina vibes right now. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and follow along.
And if you are a CCA member or you want to become a CCA member, click the link below, enter your name, because you do not want to miss the chance to win this amazing X5M competition built by T14 Distribution right here in Doylestown, PA by Thompson BMW.